Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Yahoo Fantasy for beginners. Welcome to a quick beginner's guide on how to use Yahoo Fantasy. First, go to sports.yahoo.com/fantasy and choose your sport: football, basketball, baseball, or hockey. Sign in with your Yahoo account and join a public league. Create your own or enter a private one with an invite code. If you create a league, you will be the commissioner and can set scoring formats, draft types, and rules. Next, draft your team using either a snake draft, where picks rotate each round, or an auction draft, where you bid on players. After the draft, manage your team weekly by adjusting lineups, monitoring injuries, and using the waiver wire or trades to strengthen your roster. Lastly, track your progress. Head to head leagues pit you against another team weekly, while points only leagues total your score across the season. Stay active, be strategic, and most of all, enjoy the competition. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.